There is growing evidence that the cucumber is full with nutrients that can fight even the most dangerous diseases, including cancer. This vegetable is also useful for improving the quality of the hair and the skin. It can also help you eliminate toxins, and will hydrate your body as well. To use its health benefits, simply add the cucumber as a side dish to the main course. One of our contributors ate cucumber every day for 1 month, and she noticed the following changes. Elimination of toxins and hydration of the skin. As you probably already know, cucumbers mostly made of water, 95% to be precise. This means that this vegetable is excellent for deep hydration of the body. Plus, this vegetable will help you restore your body with most of the essential vitamins. Digestion and burning fat. By consuming cucumbers on regular basis, you will be able to improve your overall health. Namely, cucumbers have the ability to stimulate your metabolism, and will also help you eliminate the extra fat. Plus, the cucumber is an excellent source of dietary fiber and water, which makes it extremely effective in eliminating toxins. Bad breath. Bad breath is a common health problem that affects many people. Well, we have the perfect solution for you. Namely, cucumbers can help you eliminate bad breath. All you need to do, in order to eliminate your bad breath, is to slice a piece of cucumber and put it in your mouth. Hold it in your mouth for about 30 seconds. The powerful antibacterial properties of the cucumber will kill the bacteria that causes bad breath. Manage stress. Cucumbers contain multiple B vitamins, including vitamin B1, vitamin B5, and vitamin B7 biotin. B vitamins are known to help ease feelings of anxiety and buffer some of the damaging effects of stress. Maintain a healthy weight. Cucumbers are very low in calories, yet they make a filling snack. The soluble fiber in cucumbers dissolves into a gel-like texture in your gut, helping to slow down your digestion. This helps you to feel full longer and is one reason why fiber-rich foods may help with weight control.